Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with gaugegirltraining, an online meal planning and coaching service. I'm a food scientist and chemical engineer, and in today's video, we are going to discuss signs that you are running off of stress hormones. So let's get started. Stress is so real, you guys, and it will directly impact your ability to lose body fat. It will spike your cortisol levels, and it will make it extremely challenging for your body to tap into stored fat as a fuel source. So signs that your body is running off of stress hormones, it's not going to allow you to part with stored fat when your cortisol levels are elevated, when your insulin levels are elevated, and when you are in a state of estrogen dominance. So one of the first signs that you are experiencing this is if your body temperature is low. When I say low, I'm specifically talking 97.6 degrees. The next one is cold hands and feet. That is definitely a sign that your body is running off of stress hormones. The next one is if you are dealing with heavy, painful, irregular, or missing periods. Number 4, little to no appetite, especially first thing in the morning. Number 5, a low pulse. If your pulse is very, very low, you're cold all the time, that's definitely a sign. Number 6, if you are struggling to conceive. Number 7, if you find yourself chronically waking up between 2 and 4 a.m. Again, another sign that your body is running off of stress hormones. Number 8, chronic acne. Number 9, hair loss. And number 10, if you are easily sad or very easily anxious. So what can you do to address this? You are going to want to do a hormone reset to allow your body to detoxify excess circulating hormones that are putting you into a state of fat storage. This can be done through my hormone reset protocol. The link is in the description box of where you can learn about the program. It comes with a free gift of a 12-week training plan, but it has amazing recipes that are great to heal the gut, to get your insulin in check, to get those hormones detoxified, to detoxify the liver, and you're ultimately going to see amazing results. I don't like to guarantee and promise fat loss results, but most folks lose on average of 10 pounds in the first 3 weeks on this protocol. So any questions or concerns, let me know, but please comment below if you have any of these signs. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.